nice? Are they nice cats?
They're very nice. They're great cats. One's fat and old. It's like a dog. It's kind of dumb.
Oh, yeah. I could see. It's like us. It's like us, Redban. One's fat and old.
The other one gay as fuck.
Redban, you got me. Wow. Boom. I don't know if I'll ever recover from that one. Ouch. Ouch. Redban giving thumbs up to the photographer. It's an incredible moment. Troy Conrad, world famous comedy photographer, right there in the moment. Redban's magic moment.